we launched the campaign because of the evidence that we know there is a terrible pattern of violence and discrimination that's directed at people around the world, not just in India, but in every country, because they're gay or lesbian or bisexual or transgender. And that is a human rights abuse, a human rights challenge that the United Nations is concerned about. We believe that it is something that needs to be addressed by governments, and the way to do that is firstly by changing discriminatory laws, certainly, and there's a lot of diplomatic dialogue at the United Nations on that topic. But we also know, as Selina said, it's not enough to change the laws. You have to change people's attitudes as well.
Transgender word, I don't go with it. I'm a hijra, and I stick to my word. We come under the umbrella of the transgenders, and there are transgenders in India too. And I believe in my culture. And in this whole region, I just said 2 months ago at a UN website of UNAIDS, when we were dealing with the Asia Pacific Transgender Network, this is the high time that the government, the state and the federal government start taking the responsibility of sexual minority people, immaterial whether they are gay, lesbian, transgender, or in this region of Asia Pacific, जैसे हमारे पास हिजड़े हैं, तो Asia Pacific में बहुत सारे countries के पास, there are many other minorities like me, of transgenders, there are baklas, there are varias, there are this. So this is the right time, and the judiciary has literally told the government, federal and state of Union of India, to respond in 6 months. आपका हक है, पर औरतों का 33% हमारा reservation औरतों का भी Indian Parliament में पास नहीं हुआ. Whatever rights एक मर्द या औरत को है, वैसे ही एक gay, lesbian, transgender, हिजड़ा, जोगता, देवदासी, सेक्स वर्कर, सबके लिए एक लेवल पे आज हम वो जगह चाहते हैं कि आज मैं अगर इनके साथ ऐसे खड़ी हूं तो जितने भी कम्युनिटी के लोग हो वो एक साथ खड़े हों और उसके मन में किसी के लिए कटाक्ष और किसी के लिए घृणा नहीं होनी चाहिए. उसका हक, उसका मान, उसका सम्मान एक साथ हो. इसी के लिए यूनाइटेड नेशंस का ये यूनाइटेड नेशंस इक्वल, फ्री एंड इक्वल यूनाइटेड नेशंस का ये LGBT इक्वालिटी का ये मंच बनाया गया है इंटरनेशनली कि हमें हमारा हक मिले जैसे किसी मर्द या औरत को है.
So जो इंसान 9 साल से इस विवादक सब्जेक्ट के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है, उसका इस सब्जेक्ट को लेकर वापस आने का सवाल उठता ही नहीं है. If you talking about my return, it would be in the next no entry sequel.